Nonito Donaire is a Filipino-American professional boxer. Donaire was born in Talibon, Bohol, Philippines, the third of four children to Nonito C, Donaire Sr. and Imelda M. Gonzales. His older brother is former boxer Glenn Donaire and his cousin is former boxer Richard Donaire. On August 8, 2008, Donaire married Rachel Marcial, a Filipino-American USA national collegiate and military Taekwondo champion in a private ceremony at Carmel, California, followed by a church service in the Philippines on November 11, 2011. They have two sons. Donaire's wife is a member of his team and her father is his chief of security. On July 4, 2013, Donaire's pregnant wife was injured while saving a drowning child. She recovered and her then unborn second child was unharmed. Donaire is popularly known as the Filipino Flash and is a two-time winner of the Rings Knockout of the Year award in 2007 and 2011. He reached a peak around pound-for-pound ranking of third by the Ring in 2011 and was named Fighter of the Year in 2012 by the Boxing Writers Association of America. In total, Donaire has held 9 world titles by the main 4 boxing sanctioning bodies. He has also held the International Boxing Organization IBO flyweight title, the World Boxing Association WBA interim super flyweight title, and the Ring Magazine and lineal super bantamweight titles. He has held multiple world championships in 4 weight classes from flyweight to featherweight and is the oldest boxer in history to win a bantamweight world title at age 38, as well as being the first 3-time champion in that weight class. On May 9, 2018, at a news conference in London, the World Boxing Super Series WBSS announced that Season 2 would include the bantamweights. On December 11, 2015, Donaire reclaimed the vacant WBO Super Bantamweight title, defeating Cesar Juarez by UD. The fight was controlled by Donaire early on, dropping the Mexican brawler twice, but Juarez showed good punch resistance to keep going. On October 18, 2014, Donaire made the first defense of his WBS Super title against undefeated WBA regular champion Nicholas Walters. On December 15, 2012, in Houston, Texas, Donaire retained his titles against George Arce with a third-round KO. Donaire had already knocked down Arce in the second and third rounds.